How to get numbers after decimal point? How do I get the numbers after a decimal point? For example, if I have 5.55, how do I get .55?
What about? Or, using numpy.
Keep in mind this won't help you with floating point rounding problems. i.e., you may get or otherwise a little off the 0.55 you are expecting.
Using the decimal module from the standard library, you can retain the original precision and avoid floating point rounding issues. As Kindle notes in the comments, you'll have to convert native floats to strings first.
An easy approach for you.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking